Gonna try this in for this. Gonna get rid of this one. Been having problems. This thing here got stuck, so can't undo it. So we're gonna replace it with this. Take out the screws here. Just one there. One on the other side. Get the other one. Careful, this thing might come apart. See? Comes off. Pretty nasty. I'm gonna take out this piece. I'm gonna start making a lot more videos. Check them out if you can. Subscribe so I can post new videos every day, if possible. When I'm doing something, and usually I am doing something. There we go. Just jiggle it out from the back. Boom, 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 boom. Another one. Always remember, you wanna, that way this can lock in, not the other way around. Alright. These two are for the door. I'll show you now. These two. Don't overdo it, just make sure they're good, that's all. Key part. Outside. Let's start one out. If you feel like the bolt goes all the way through, you adjust it. Start one up. Start the other one up. Screwdriver. The other side evenly. You don't have to overdo it. Make sure it's not loose. Boom, that's it, you're done. There you go. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching.